Happy Halloween, everyone. It's James. You're looking at a game called Spot It. It's a Halloween game, and I introduced this game to you guys a while back. Someone asked me to show them the word list. This version of Spot It, I found out that this isn't the original Halloween Spot It, but this version of Halloween Spot It did not come with the words for the symbols. So you get this booklet, and in it says there are 55 cards, each decorated with 8 symbols, which is true. There are more than 50 different symbols in all. And this is the only word list that is printed on this little booklet. I'm going to go over the words with you, and then I'm going to show you a word list that I put together for you. Okay, let's take everything out. Okay, I'm just going to read this randomly, alright? This is dungeon door. On the printed booklet it says test tube, but you can say potion, moon, mouse, skull. On the booklet it says candelabra, which is strange for me. It's actually an antique candlestick holder. Toad, vampire. In my opinion, I'm going to call this tattered shirt or worn out shirt. Bloody hand, Frankenstein, eyeball, mushroom, headless horseman, owl. Coffin, haunted house, broomstick, haunted tree or scary tree, crow, voodoo doll. Werewolf, 13. Treats or candy. Pitchfork, thunder. Brain, candy corn, boo, moon's snake. Bloody foot. Scarecrow, bone. Bat. Zombie, boot, lollipop or sucker, mirror, trick, Jacko Lantern, cauldron. On the booklet it says ball and chain. It's actually a shackle pin or shackle bolt. Book or spell book. Treat, garlic, chocolate, spiderweb, black cat, ghost, mummy, spiderweb, bloody hand, bloody foot. Dungeon door. Fangs. On the booklet it says goodie bag. You can call it trick or treat bag if you want. Spider. Fly. Boo. Witch hat. Blood. Frankenstein. Gravestone. I think that's it. I think that's it. Now I am going to show you the word list. I've put them in alphabetical order. I put the words in alphabetical order. Okay, I've put the words in alphabetical order. Number 1, ball and chain, shackle pin, bat, black cat, blood, bloody foot, bloody hand, bone, boo, book or spell book, boot, brain, broomstick, candelabra, candy corn, cauldron, chocolate, coffin, crow, dungeon door, eyeball, fangs, fly, Frankenstein, garlic, ghost, goodie bag or trick-or-treat bag, gravestone, haunted tree or scary tree, headless horseman, Jacko Lantern, lollipop or sucker, mirror. Page 2. Moon, mouse, mummy, mushroom, owl, pitchfork, scarecrow, skull, snake, spider, spiderweb, tattered shirt, test tube, potion. 13. Thunder, toad, treats or candy. Trick, vampire, voodoo doll, werewolf, witch hat, zombie. I hope this was helpful. If you thought so, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Happy Halloween, everyone!